Did you know that your phone can recognize your face in just a fraction of a second? That magic isn't magic at all, it's technology powered by artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to break down 3 terms you've probably heard everywhere: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. They sound similar, but each plays a different role in the tech world. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they mean, how they are connected, and why they matter in your everyday life. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the broad concept of machines or systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These systems can learn, reason, solve problems, and even understand natural language. Think of voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation engines on Netflix, or self-driving cars. Artificial intelligence is the big umbrella under which machine learning and deep learning fall. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating systems that can learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every rule. Instead of hard-coding instructions, we feed data into an algorithm, and the system learns to identify patterns and make predictions. For example, Netflix uses machine learning to recommend movies and shows based on your viewing habits. Machine learning techniques include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, all of which teach models in different ways. Deep learning takes machine learning a step further. It uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence the word deep. These networks are designed to mimic the way the human brain processes information, allowing the system to handle complex data like images, speech, and natural language. Deep learning is behind technologies like facial recognition on smartphones, voice recognition systems like Google Assistant, and even this very conversation powered by ChatGPT. This approach requires massive amounts of data and computing power, which is why it has become more common only in recent years. Think of it as a hierarchy. Artificial intelligence is the overall concept of machines acting intelligently. Machine learning is a way to achieve artificial intelligence by letting machines learn from data. Deep learning is a more advanced approach within machine learning that uses layered neural networks to solve highly complex problems. Let's take a real-world example: Tesla's self-driving technology. Tesla vehicles use artificial intelligence to make driving decisions that would normally require human judgment. To do that, they rely on machine learning to analyze patterns from millions of driving miles and predict what might happen next. At the core, Tesla uses deep learning to process huge streams of data from cameras, sensors, and radar, allowing the car to recognize pedestrians, traffic lights, and obstacles in real time. This layered approach shows how these 3 concepts work together. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are shaping the future across industries: healthcare, finance, entertainment, and beyond. From detecting diseases earlier to creating personalized experiences, understanding these concepts gives you a front-row seat to the technology that powers our world. To recap, artificial intelligence is the big picture. Machine learning teaches machines to learn from data. Deep learning uses advanced neural networks for complex tasks. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Which application of artificial intelligence amazes you the most? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.